Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whatever you are. Thank you for watching this Daily Huddle Show video. I'm here joined with Maurizio. How you doing,
man? We're having laughs already, guys.
Oh,
Happy
man.
Monday.
Yes, we are. Before the show, man, just so you know, nothing we say here is financial advice, right? Anything that we say that you should buy or can buy or whatever, right? Take it as financial entertainment and not as advice that you should actually follow.
But Eric Trump.
But hey, if you want to follow him, it's all up to you.
Jokes.
And we do tell you not to buy any of the meme coins here, right?
Oh, yeah. Never buy anything.
Like, just watch us. Have fun.
Exactly. That's all is it. None of this is financial advice.
That's it. If you think buying a meme coin is financial advice, you need
help. You need to seek help.
You have some serious problems, man. Yeah. Oh my God.
Exactly. By the way, guys, keep asking questions in the chat because I am saving some for the Q&A segment, right?
Yes. And yeah, I mean, yes, Bitcoin, right? You can buy it if you want, right? Or not buy it. It's up to you, right? But, before you buy it, right, I think you should learn what it is, right? That's why I have a school, right? Bitcoin for beginners, right?
Nice.
Make sure that you learn what Bitcoin is, b4b.davincij15.com. Links in the description below. And yeah, I've got some free classes there. And thank you guys. A lot of you have signed up. About 650 of you guys have signed up so far for the classes. And yeah, I appreciate it. Thank you. Alrighty. Sorry. And with that said, right, make sure you hit the like, hit the subscribe, right? Remember, this is not financial advice. And head over to Mr. M's podcast, which he doesn't talk about financial advice either.
Exactly.
Right.
Oh boy, this is gonna be a thing.
Exactly.
Yeah, I just people, they have their opinions, right?
Exactly.
And just facilitate conversation.
Zero financial advice, right? Just like, if you want to listen for the entertainment of it all, you can.
Exactly. And by the way, I did upload a banger this morning. Like, honestly, Adrian, the one you say there, the one you see there, get ready for what's coming. It's honestly one of my top three.
And should you take anything as financial advice and lose money, remember, that's your fault insurance, as we always say, right?
Exactly.
Because we've told you. Okay. Alrighty.
100%.
Moving on. Let's hear what this guy has to say, because he says Bitcoin is going to 1 million tomorrow. No, just kidding. Didn't I say that?
No. Eric Trump. Let us know, guys, if you have audio, as always.
A lot of eyes were opened when Bitcoin hit 100,000. And I can tell you a hell of a lot more eyes are going to be opened when Bitcoin hits 1 million. And I'm confident it's going to hit 1 million. I think we're all confident in this room that it's going to hit 1 million.
I believe in cryptocurrencies. I believe that cryptocurrencies are the future. Banking is slow as hell. It's antiquated. It doesn't work. It doesn't make any sense that banks run on 9-to-5 schedules 5 days a week. When cryptocurrency, you can trade it in the middle of the night on a Saturday at 12 p.m. While having dinner with your wife or sitting on the couch, you can trade cryptocurrency. The banks are lethargic. They don't work for everybody. They leave most people behind. They're expensive. They're lethargic. They're not inclusive at all. And I think the modern banking system is changing very quickly. I think it's one of the reasons you see BlackRock spending billions in cryptocurrencies, and Fidelity and Schwab and just about every bank under the sun. It's the future.
I can tell you.
Yes, banking is antiquated. I have to agree. Not just lethargic, but antiquated, right? It was the same banking, the banking hours and features and everything is the same as it was over 100 years ago.
Crazy, right?
What? And you're like, Swift. Yeah, because they still had checks back then. It just took longer to clear, right? Took longer than 3 to 5 days. So 3 to 5 days, called it Swift. But you still had checks. You still cash it in another country, right? That was allowed. I mean, actually, that was allowed back then. It's not allowed now. Exactly. Right? I remember the day that happened, actually. Did you know that that stopped? That used to work. You used to write a check, right? From your local bank in your local currency, and you could put in USD or whatever currency. Most of the places you put in USD. The reason why is because the USD dollar was everything was backed by the USD, right?
Yeah.
And so you'd put in USD at the end, right? And then you'd give it to someone in another country, and they'd be able to cash it,
They will cash it in, yeah.
right? Yet I remember the day when that all stopped. I remember first I wrote a check to my American account, and I was always doing that and just sending it
From Canada?
Yeah, from Canada, and depositing, and it was working. And sometime in 2002, it just did no warning, no message, no Financial Times, no notification.
Wow, they just stopped.
Round the world stop. Right?
Damn.
They didn't even bother notifying people. Many businesses, right? The checks bounce. Like the company I was working in, right? People they were writing checks a lot to the United States, and they were all bouncing. It's like, oh my God, you guys have no money. It's check bounce, right? They're like, my boss, I remember at the time, was pissed off.
Yeah, because we have the money, but
Exactly.
they changed the law, basically.
Exactly. With no notification. Zero.
Wow.
So they even took that away when they had that 100 years ago.
Damn. That is gone.
Yeah, so there it is. So banking is not even improved. You're saying it's improved with Swift. No. Hold on. Did you know that with Swift, they could lose the money? I mean, if they lost your check, right? You write another one, right?
Yeah. Damn.
But with Swift, they lose the money, and then you have to wait like months and fight and maybe even years before you get that money back.
Crazy. By the way, I don't know if I told you, but when I was in Vegas for the Bitcoin conference, there was a VIP area, and Eric had a speech. I think there was probably 100 people, 120 people. It was one of my absolute favorite. Mm-hmm. I think he killed it. And he talked about the fact that they've been debanked and banks have been evil with them. And they talked about all these things.
Yeah. You know what? Do we have the cameras all going? No. Okay. Hang on.
People are saying the soundboard doesn't work. Okay.
The soundboard's not working?
That's weird. Let me see.
My cameras, I forgot this camera.
Yeah, the chat is up, so it should be
Did you have to put it the other one?
the
Stereo.
main stereo.
Yeah.
Okay, so how about now? Can you hear the gun?
Mm-hmm.
And it's gone.
Let's see. Okay.
Yeah, exactly. So anyways,
Thank you.
Can you switch the chip back there for me?
Oh yeah.
So yeah, I mean, sorry, we were running a little bit late, the bottom one, and didn't get all the cameras going. Yeah. Okay, there we go.
Are both recording now?
No, that one's not recording. There we go. Perfect. Oh yeah.
All right, sound is working. Great.
Yeah,
Thank you guys.
I realized that when I was like, damn, I could use that for my Now it's gone, and it's gone.
And he's gone.
That was a good one. That was
Okay,
a good
thank
rant.
you.
Anyways,
Thank you.
it was a good rant. Whilst I had it,
It's okay.
I'm moving on now.
We have it here anyway, so
Yeah, but it's not the same.
I know. Not the same. Alcoin season.
Looks about right.
Fair enough.
Here. Still here.
Fair enough.
It's still here. There it is. Alt season.
Yeah, it is, but in a different format, right? So far.
Slightly different so far, yes.
So far. Now, what was going to happen after, we will have to discuss, but so far, it's going like this. Okay, now, there's going to be a huge amount of liquidation in 120, I think is the number, more or less.
Right at the gap.
And there is also a CME gap on the way up.
Yeah, right at the gap is where the liquidations are occurring. So, I mean, I've said this before, right? In my opinion, it's practically guaranteed money, right? Because the gap's always closed. But practically, meaning that there's a chance that it doesn't work out.
Yeah.
And yeah, you just, if you want to take that chance, you can. Right?
Question for you. So September 16 and 17, there's going to be Powell, and everybody is expecting at this point. I think there was a poll, and I think it's 80% is expecting a rate cut. Actually, multiple rate cuts. If that happened, we'll see a pump, right? I mean, we could see a pump technically, because whenever they touch interest rate, there is always a response in the market. I guess the question is, are we going to see lower prices before then? Question mark. That's why, DCA, in my opinion, is the best thing you can possibly do, because predicting the market is really hard, right?
Yeah, exactly. All right, DCA, man, DCA.
DCA, another sign, a golden cross popped in. So, and by the way, I don't know if you agree, but the sentiment is really bad, especially on crypto Twitter. Everyone is calling the top.
Yeah.
The top is in. We're gonna correct now.
That's it.
We're going down to whatever, $9,000.
Sell everything.
Gap.
Not financial advice.
Exactly.
Sell everything.
It's going to zero.
Bitcoin is going to zero.
Not financial advice.
We need one of them. No financial advice. So, of course, I don't believe the top is in yet. So
Neither does Michael Saylor.
neither is Michael Saylor. Yep. And he posted another tweet, which means most likely today is going to buy again for a change. Right?
Financial advisor. No.
Those meetings
I'm going all I'm going all in on Bitcoin. Right? Like I missed you. It was blocked by that. There it is. Oh man, that's a good one.
I mean, he's going to keep. Do you know what's really interesting? I know.
like this picture.
Yeah, it's one of the best. Do you know what's super interesting? I know we are not going to do it today because tomorrow we're going to show the market, the ETFs, but fear and greed is really bad. I think it's at 40 something.
Really?
43. Yeah, and we are trading at 100,007, 108, I guess.
I have to see this now.
Yeah, put fear and greed and you see it. I think it's 43. 40. Okay, it's gone up a little bit. 46. This is nuts. Like the market is fearful and Bitcoin is trading at $108,000. Nuts.
So it hit us 40 at one point?
We're going to 43, yeah.
Man, you gotta,
someone posted it this
you
morning.
need a screenshot of that. Jesus.
So, I mean, imagine going back 10 years or even 5 years and saying to people, there's going to be a point in 2025 before the best time in the market, which is October, November, December. Bitcoin is going to be 108, 107, but hey, fear and greed, 43. Damn.
Yeah, nobody will care. Because it won't be relevant, right? Do you care about what the sentiment of the market was back when Bitcoin was $200? Not really.
Yeah, fair enough. It's all in perspective, right? Yeah. Yeah, I agree. I think we still have the best to come. This is the dominance, by the way. I would like to know your two Satoshis, because you've been tracking this for a very long time and your lines have been on spot. So
Yes.
are you expecting...
This is the disaster. Yes.
Are you expecting
It's crashed.
continue to go
It's
lower?
broken. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's broken a key trend line. I mean, I saw this. I was a little bit earlier. The break was a little bit earlier, but yes, that's what I'm seeing. 54 is the target right now. That's a long-term support and resistance.
So we should hold that,
level.
right?
Yeah. So
Where that week is.
yeah, where this wick is.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oof. And if that happens, well, then alts are going to rally, right?
Yes, of course. Yeah, exactly. They're going to beat out Bitcoin. Yeah. It is what it is, right? I mean, we were in a long uptrend, and I didn't expect it to break. With the ETFs and the new bull market timing and stuff like that, I expect it to continue going higher, right? Until the next, at least till the quarter, the last quarter of the first quarter of what's it called?
Next year.
Next year, right?
2026.
Then we'd see some reversal, but a little bit earlier than that. I guess I got the reversal, so it is what it is.
Yeah. Let's see what the audience think. Guys, if you think we have seen the top, so if you believe $124,000 was Bitcoin top, put 1 in chat. And if you think Bitcoin is going higher, put 0. So let's see what the chat thinks. Because there's going to be a lot of people, they think the bull run is over. And I disagree, obviously, my opinion, right? No financial advice.
Exactly. Right? No, from that.
Never. But yeah, what's interesting also is the M2. Because the M2 is indicating we have a little bit more run to go. So,
Yeah. And another thing about the M2, right, that says that we could have a little bit more to go is that in order for have you seen the NVIDIA stock? I haven't, but I've seen somebody show me a chart. I haven't seen it myself, right? But I haven't pulled it up myself, but I've seen a copy of the chart. The NVIDIA chart went corrected and went mooning, right, to all-time highs, crazy highs. NVIDIA. And so what happens if that comes back down? Do you think they might print?
possible.
Especially if,
There is a tiny chance there. They might print. Look, by the way, look at the audience. Everyone thinks that lots of zeros. So people think we're going higher. Okay. Nice.
So if we were to map the chart of the stock market versus U.S. income, you'll notice something there. Let's see if that chart, somebody has a chart here. That basically it just got correlated. Let's see. I don't see it here.
Lots of zeros, by the way.
I don't see it correlate. There is a correlation on the Fed chart. I remember seeing it. It's basically they weren't correlated before, and then they all of a sudden became correlated. The income in the last 20 years. So basically, if the stock market crashes, I can't find the chart, but if the stock market crashes, the U.S. income drops. The U.S. government income drops, and if that happens, they might print a little bit. Just a little bit.
It's good for us.
Just a little bit. They might print a little bit.
Just a couple of notes.
Just a tiny bit. so that they can get some cash, right? How else they gonna get cash?
Yeah.
Right?
And by the way, they'll print it for them because we established, was it last week, that they own it anyway. So they'll print for themselves.
Well, hold on. No, the federal people who own the Federals owns those notes, not
exactly.
not the government.
Yeah,
just so you know.
but they'll print it for themselves, right? They'll land it.
Just so you know, right? All right, guys, we are about to get into the zone where we're having a lot of fun, right? Right? We do some crazy things, do things that you probably shouldn't be doing. Why? Because you're gonna get rug pulled. Right? Instead of you getting rug pulled,
we are. You are welcome.
Yes.
Exactly. So don't follow what we do. Don't buy none of this stuff.
Exactly.
Just watch.
We're just showing you how bad it can get out there.
That's horrible. That's really bad. All right. This is why we do. Oh, look at this.
This is why we tell you.
Emotional, damn it.
Damn.
She seemed like a nice lady. Right?
What was this one again?
I think it was like something to do with Solana.
All-time high something.
Yeah, something like that.
Did we buy this?
Yeah, we did.
I don't even remember.
I remember buying this.
Damn.
She was giving us Solana.
I know.
I felt like good. I felt like I was gonna get something.
Well, we did. That's not what we expected. We got something. Just not what we wanted.
Oh
Damn, this is brutal. Like, this is someone with a button sell, you know? Like a fat finger there.
no! Wow.
Okay.
Okay. Alrighty then. Let's see this one. This Bitcoin bull one. Ooh, I think we got rugged. I'm not 100% sure.
Oh, but there is hope. Look at that green. It's not gone completely.
Exactly. It's
going
right
out.
where Peppa Peep is.
It's going
Look exactly where Peppa Peep is.
in the deep.
Peppa Peep. Oh,
boy.
man, Peppa Peep is like, at least it's got more good volume. Well, let's see what this one does. How many volume? Oh no, it's beating out Peppa Peep. Look at that.
Wow.
Damn.
This is brutal.
Do you think we got rugged?
Look at that beautiful. Look at that
think it might
beautiful.
come back?
Look at that beautiful W though.
Might come back. Yeah, exactly. Should we get some more?
Damn. I don't think I'm ready for this. but if there is a time you will bet on this, I mean, clearly we're not buying the top here.
Yeah, exactly.
So, damn.
Damn.
I mean, of course, when Bitcoin corrects, everything else goes even heavier, right?
Did we actually profit from this at all?
Oh, yeah, because we had some.
We did have some buy orders, but sell orders. But
Something popped in last week, right? We managed to get the money back.
I'm sure we did. Yeah, the all-time high. Look, we did get paid on that
We
one.
get paid?
I think
Let's go.
we went all out. No, you went. You wanted me to stay.
Shoot. I will have to tip in.
Yeah,
right?
we left to. You wanted me to stay inside. Oh, but hey, look, Bell feed. What is this one? This one
paid
This
us?
one paid us.
See?
This one, I could have swore this one was like dead.
I'm not sure why everything is paying us, but the money is going down. I'm not sure what's going on here.
Jobless. Look, jobless.
Did he pay us?
It paid us.
Amazing.
We're not jobless anymore. Right,
Okay.
look. I think jobless paid us. There it is, right there. We went all out though. We didn't leave.
Okay,
anything
okay,
in.
good.
We didn't leave anything in jobless.
Okay. That makes sense.
Look at the Beld. Like Beld. Let's find out what happened to Beld. Wifey.
Oh, look at that.
Did we get this?
Look at that week over there.
No. This is. I was looking into. Oh, this is World Liberty Finance. Well, and World Liberty Finance.
Oh, what the
And
hell happened there?
this is not the World Liberty
Okay,
Finance.
okay,
It's a
okay.
scam. A scam Liberty Finance. It's a scam. That's
Damn. Great quality. Yeah. What happened to that week there? Gee.
I know exactly. It was Beld. Sorry. Yeah.
Okay, I was like, damn, that would have been like a bloodline security.
I know exactly.
Yeah, for the first time, getting paid hurts. Exactly. I don't understand why. We're getting paid, but we're getting poorer and poorer.
Look, somehow we made money on this. I don't know how.
Beld, seriously?
Could not have doubled our money on this. Maybe it's the wrong one. No, there's only two.
Did we get paid in the selling? Did the selling order trigger?
Okay, this is it. This is the Beld. Yeah.
How?
I don't know.
Oh, because we went in before the dump occurred, right?
Maybe, but come on. How much could we possibly, like, how did we get out of this thing alive? This is crazy.
Yeah, I don't know.
This is crazy.
Sometimes I question.
We should be questioning ourselves doing this in the first place.
Exactly. But sometimes it turns out to be okay. Do you think our portfolio is going down because of Solana? The value of Solana is going lower?
Yeah, exactly. It's just the Solana thing, right? It's up and down, like horse drawers, right?
Okay.
She's like, but hey, you know what? Waffles and Orc, right?
They're holding.
Yeah,
Nice.
they're just rising slowly, right? Yeah. Nice.
Nice.
Yeah. We're just, I'm happy with my Waffles and Orc.
Nice.
So we're going to hold on to theirs, right? Is there anything that has been moving up that we should, like, pay attention to?
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah. Should we go looking for inside the trenches? Or should we like redo, like look at give our second look on some of these coins that we have here?
Yeah, probably a second look because I think we have a lot, right?
Exactly.
By the way, guys, if you have any question, there's going to be a Q&A segment soon. So use the chat, please, to ask whatever you wish. I am already saving a bunch of good questions. Thank you so much.
Hello Kitty. Remember?
Yeah.
Remember Hello Kitty? And you were like, nah, man, nah.
We doubled on this couple of times.
Exactly. I'm like, Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty.
Yeah, you.
Hello. Look at this.
Wow, look at this.
Okay, so look at this thing. It's back down from its all-time highs. Maybe we should get into the kitty. I like this kitty.
Kitty has claws. Okay. Yeah.
You know, I like to get. Let's get in deep with the kitty. Deep into the kitty.
Yeah, let's go. Why not?
Oh damn! How deep should we go? Like half a Solana?
Oh, wow. Like that deep?
No. You don't want to put the tip in.
Poor kitty.
Poor kitty.
Half in? Yeah, let's do it. Let's do 0.5.
Oh man!
Let's do it 0.5. Oh, wow. Very
Because
specific.
the kitty could secure the bloodline, right?
It could secure, yeah. It could secure
We
the
could
blood.
we could have a nice kitty
Yeah.
saved because of the kitty.
Exactly. Exactly.
All right, so we.
It could go higher. Exactly. There you go. It could go higher.
Alrighty.
Nice. So we got some good questions, by the way. Already.
Okay, so let's just see one more of these. You know, what about unicorn fart dust? It's. What do you think? Buxoids, Uranus.
Oh man, the Buxoids was the Bitcoin thingy, right?
Nobody sausage. How did we get that?
What?
How did we get what?
Where did we buy
I
nobody
know,
saw?
nobody sausage. When did we buy that?
Oh boy, we are doing something. We need to chart this.
Exactly. Why?
What?
What?
It was probably one of my ideas.
Exactly.
Sounds like one of the ones that I would suggest.
Nobody sausage.
Oh, but
Wow.
look. See? It's not bad.
That was one of yours, wasn't it?
I think so.
Wow.
I mean, besides that vomiting, it's still trending up. Damn.
Whenever we bought this, we must have bought this like really low. How many did we buy? We bought 0.2 of this stuff. Damn.
How much do we
So
have
we've
now?
already doubled our money.
Now that we are into a bad phase, we double the money.
Yeah. Let's. Should we take half?
Yeah, but it could go higher. You know, we can take a nice screenshot.
Exactly.
That's
No, we didn't double the money. No, we got $50. So no, we didn't double.
we didn't double yet, but yeah.
We're up 0.5 or something like that.
Okay. Well, after all, it's nobody's sausage. So. It is what it is. I mean, guys, of course, don't buy nobody's sausage, right?
Yeah.
Just
Do we have to tell them?
state in the obvious. Just in case someone just dialed in. It's like, what the hell is this dude doing? Whatever you do, don't buy nobody's sausage. Right?
Damn.
We're having the best time doing this, man. Honestly. This is nuts.
Wow.
The amount of meme coins we managed to collect so far, I think we should see a professional. We should seek some professional.
We should seek some professional help. Hey, Melania Trump. She's down and out in Beverly Hills.
Oh boy.
Let's get her.
This was this was when we didn't go to, what was the thing again? Washington, no?
No, but she was after shortly days after when her coin. But look,
Oh boy. Ooh.
it didn't rug yet. Didn't rug yet.
Exactly. Yeah.
Didn't rug yet. Look, she has 113K in volume. So
Damn.
should we get a little bit of? I mean,
A little bit of
I
Melania.
don't want to get into the president's wife, right? Like, it's a little bit.
Yeah, it's a little bit risky, but hey, this is what the trenches are about. I mean, we can do it with protection. We can just go in, go out, chick.
Yeah.
Get in and get out. Quick.
Zip, zip, zip,
Exactly.
zap.
That's
In
it.
and out.
That was the money.
An in and out job. In the president's wife.
I'm expecting one day the CIA to kick down the door. You two, stop the stream. Coming down, from the ceiling.
Oh, no.
I mean, this could be. It could go higher.
Yeah.
No?
Yeah. I was thinking about something else going higher, but whatever. Whatever.
We get that too.
Whatever.
During is gonna get that too. Right?
Oh my god.
Jokes.
Oh my god. Jokes. Okay, that's it. That's
Alright,
enough.
Q&A.
That's Q&A.
Q&A, guys. Monday after all. So.
Oh my god.
All right. Ricky's asking: is the bull market over?
Not for meme coins.
Exactly.
Just kidding. Oh, I don't think so. I mean, my personal opinion is that I think we're going to have the bull market for Bitcoin. And we'll see probably at the worst case scenario, 140, maybe best case scenario. Absolutely bull case scenario,
200.
400.
400.
Right. But that's just crazy bull case, which probably won't show up.
Yeah, I mean, I agree. I don't think it's over. But we could see a further downside, right? Because September, statistically speaking, it's not a great month. What Damien is saying is September is going to be red. I mean, statistically speaking, September sucks. So we could see a further... There is a 92,000 CME gap.
Yeah, it's Rectember.
Rectangle, there you go. It's 92 CME gap looks juicy. Possible. It's possible. I mean, I wouldn't cross it off. Bitcoin does Bitcoin things. So
Exactly.
will Ethereum hold 4,000? That's a good one. I mean, Ethereum seems holding okay.
Yeah, it might, but don't count on it because there's a lot of liquidity at the lower levels, and on top of that, there's a clear indication that we can see like an M patterns happening in this target. This is let's see here. Right here. This is a parking garage right up here. So if we move this a little bit down like this. Oops.
What would the target be? 3.7? Oh, 3.3. Oh wow.
So yeah, we could end up right about there, around there, maybe a little bit lower, because like if we take this right here, yeah, so we could end up like in the 3.6 level or something like that. Wouldn't be surprised. We're getting closer to the 4 hour. The 4 hours getting closer to the 200 period moving average, so it likes to cross a little of that before it goes and starts a new bull run after a long bull run from right. You can see it happens over and over again. We break above the 200 period moving average and stay above it for a while, and then cross it, go down, and then off we go. Right.
Okay, fair enough. Nice. Thank you for that. What do you think? Who would make better gains from now, Ethereum or Solana? That's a good one. I think they've been outperforming each other for a bit, like a ping pong, right? There was a time where Ethereum was killing it, and then Solana destroyed
Exactly,
it.
because if you're taking, it'll be difficult for you to decide, because there will be times when the Solana
Both are doing well.
They're both doing well. They both have good quality. So
Yeah, I guess pick the one you believe in the longest,
exactly.
right? That could be a good one.
Yeah, I think Solana will probably have the bigger upside because of the lower liquidity and the lower market cap.
And speaking of Solana, he's going to go to 2,999. Well, that's very specific. That's a lot.
How about no?
Thomas, I don't think so.
Stupid.
That will require, what are we now? 290? There'll be a 10x? I don't think so. No. But what could be a good target for Solana? With the all-time high was what, 280, 290? Do you remember the all-time high?
295 or something like
So it'll
that.
be a 10x from the all-time high. I don't think so. But it could go higher from now. Could go higher.
All right, moving on. Last question.
Bitcoin is going to zero by silver and gold. Mr. Uho. Okay.
Alrighty. Well, I mean, there's nothing wrong with buying silver and gold.
Exactly. Yeah. And Bitcoin is going indeed to zero, right? Bitcoin's
Yeah,
going to
because you
zero.
heard this guy say.
Oh.
Zero.
Exactly.
Yeah, exactly. So there it is. You heard it first, right? Bitcoin's going to zero. No financial advice.
No financial advice. Exactly.
Should you short it and lose your pants? Hey, right? That's your fault insurance.
Exactly. Oh, thank you. Someone likes my accent. Grown up in Italy, so it's difficult to get rid of the Italian. I mean, it could be worse. I could sound like a Mario. But yeah, thank you.
All right, guys. Well, thank you for watching the Daily Huddle Show. We'll see you guys next time. Cheers.
Cheers.